Cascade Platinum Plus. It claims 100% food residue removal. 2 times the scrubbing power. Cleans visible and invisible residue. That's nice. I hope so. And Dawn, 2 times the grease fighting power. Love the flip top thing. And you pop in the pod, close it up, and you're in business. So that's it. Cascade Premium Plus. Go ahead and get them. Time of filming this, they are on sale, so you may want to check into that whatever time you see this video. So anyway, this is Wayne. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon. Bye. Thanks.